In this video, we are going to resolve this problem that if your internet speed is capped at 100 Mbps per second on Windows 11 or Windows 10, here's what you can do to resolve this. First of all, if you're using an Ethernet based connection and you're putting directly wire in your laptop or in your PC, just make sure that it is not an old version of Cat 5, Cat 4 version. It should be Cat 6 or plus in order for this to work. So if you have a Cat 6 version or even Cat 5 advanced version of Ethernet cable, so hopefully that should be able to work to 100 Gbps per second. So we need to look for that. And the other thing that you can do is just go to the start menu and right here, device manager, open this and just double click on this network adapters option, and whatever is your internet main connection, just double click on that. And after that, just click on advanced tab and here just search for speed and duplex. So let me just scroll down. It says speed and duplex here. So by default, it is set to auto negotiation and I recommend you to do that or keep it to that settings. But if you're unable to do that or experience the 100 Gbps, you can set it to this option or this 100 Mbps full duplex option if you like. So after that, just click OK and restart your computer. If the problem still persists, maybe that's a limit with your internet service provider. So you need to contact them in order to resolve this issue, and they might be able to remove that particular crap for you on a subscription charges or maybe some router settings. So they should be able to assist you if it is not working this way. So hopefully that should solve your problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.